Did you know you can add the command prompt directly to your right-click menu in Windows 10? No extra software required. Follow this simple step. Step number 1. Press Windows plus R key. Then type this simple command, regedit. Then click on the OK tab. So in this slide, simply choose the H key classes root. Click on that. And here put the backward slash. Then type here dir and select the directory. And again put the backward slash. Then select the first option, background. Again put the backward slash. Then select the shell. Then simply press the enter key. So in this slide, scroll up. First you have to create a new key. Simply right click on the shell. Then click on the new tab. Then click on the key tab. And here type the key name, command prompt. Then press the enter key. So on the right hand side, simply double click on this default value. So enter this value here. Open CMD here. Then click on the OK tab. Again select the command prompt. Right click on this command prompt. Then click on the new tab. Then click on the key tab. And here type the key name, command. Then press the enter key. So right hand side panel, simply double click on this default value and put the value here, cmd.exe. Then click on the OK tab. Then simply close this window, Registry Editor, and refresh your PC. Again right click on this window desktop. As you can see, here is the now option is showing open CMD here. Simply click on that and boom. But wait, before I sign out, if this tutorial helps you, do not forget to like, comment, share and follow my channel. Thanks for watching.